kids. Today in this video you are going to learn to draw traffic light. So are you ready? This you have to do in your artistic book. So first you have to write the date. Topic is traffic light. So scale. I'm also having one scale. So first you have to draw two equal lines. First you have to draw two equal lines. Second step you have to close. First step you have to draw two lines and then you have to close like this. Again two small lines below the box. And next draw a pole like this. Draw a oval shape like this. You have to draw three circles. First circle you have to color red color. Red says stop. Second yellow light says wait. And green light says go. So here we go and learn a rhyme with me. So your traffic light is ready. Same way you have to draw in your artistic book.
Red light,
And
what
now
do
let's
you
have
say?
a rhyme.
I say stop. Stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait. Wait right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go. Go right away. I hope you have enjoyed this rhyme. Enjoyed drawing traffic light. Bye-bye. Have a lovely day.